Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com. One of the strange joys of parenthood is watching how far the apple sometimes falls from the tree. With me, this is particularly true with my son, because sometimes it feels like we're polar opposites. He's a complete maths and science geek, whereas when I was a kid, I was basically into music and literature, much more like my daughter is actually. My son is forever asking difficult questions like, how does electricity work? Does the earth have a weight? Why do cats have tails? And so on. When he started secondary school a few weeks ago, I said to my wife that I pitied his maths and science teachers because I knew the kinds of questions he'd be asking them. And I added, they're going to have their work cut out for them. If you say that someone is going to or will have their work cut out for them, you mean that they're going to need to be at the top of their game. They're going to be kept on their toes. They're going to be pushed and challenged. And they're going to need to rise to these challenges and deal with the difficult situations that they'll be put in. We almost always use this expression to talk about the future. So you say that someone will or someone's going to have their work cut out for them. I actually sometimes use it when talking to my son. He plays football every Sunday and he's a central defender. Sometimes when they're playing a team that they've already played before and we recognise some of the opponents, I'll say to him, yeah, you're going to be up against that young centre forward there. Remember last time he beat you 3 times. He's good, that lad. You're going to have your work cut out for you today. You're going to be busy. You're going to need to be alert. You're going to need to really rise to the occasion. The government here in the UK, the Conservatives, the Tory party, hopefully are going to be out of office next year. It's looking very much like that's going to be the case. And they've left the country in such a terrible state that the incoming government, which I guess will probably be the Labour Party, are going to have their work cut out for them. It's going to be a real challenge for them to sort out the mess they inherit. In the same way, if someone takes over a failing company or a struggling company, you might say that the new boss, the incoming CEO, is going to have their work cut out for them. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, your students, on social media, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see how you might use is going to have their work cut out for them.